Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Y'all, I believe we're halfway through this, so just hang in there. Y'all are doing great. I know it's boring, and it makes you want to climb the walls and just make an excuse to go somewhere, but you know what? Let's hope this thing is almost done. So anyways, guys, I figured I would fill the void and show y'all some more spoilers I found for the May BoxyCharm base box. And if you hear the dryer in the background, y'all, I do apologize for that. But I do have like 20 loads of clothes to do, so it was either now or I weren't going to do it at all. So anyways, guys, if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also, hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on none of these spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi. I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video. Well, thank you so much. Amy, is it Marowski? I hope I said that right. I know I probably just shadowed that, honey. Amy, I'm so sorry. Anyways, Amy says, hi love, hope all's well and stay safe. Well, Amy, honey, thank you so much. Honey, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're safe. And I hope you're enjoying the videos. I mean, at least we do have YouTube to watch. And honey, let me say, I just really appreciate you having your bell on. That just warms my heart. And I really appreciate you coming by and watching the video. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. So first y'all, let's get a look at this theme right here. Now for May, it is of course Mother Nature. And it is hashtag BoxyNature if you do want to show your box off or anything on Instagram. Perfect for this month. I do give them that. So somebody up there at the BoxyCharm building needs a pat on their back for this one. So anyways, I'm going to show you what we already know of, and then I'm going to show you the new spoilers. So first up, now this was a choice item. It is the Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. You could have either chosen that or the Hourglass Cosmetics Vanish Highlight Stick. Now there are 4 different shades to that one. And then the other choice item, so if you didn't get one of those 2 items, you're going to be getting this. This is the Elemis Resurfacing Facial Pads. Now next up are some more variation items. Now these were just released today, but I've already done that video and they've already released more. So the first thing is the Jouer Lip Gloss. Now I believe it is the Pearl Pigment Lip Gloss, but I could be wrong on that one, y'all. And that will be a variation. Another variation is the House Labs Matter Than Matte Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Punk. And then next, another variation is the Studio Makeup Ease to Wear Eyeshadow Palette. Now next up is the Pretty Vulgar Uncaged Eyeshadow Primer. And then we have the Almond, y'all, I don't know how to say that name. I said this in the last video. Anyways, this is Dead Sea Minerals plus Vitamin C Serum Makeup Removing Wipes. And then is the Trusty Concealer Crayon. Now there's 3 different shades. There's Porcelain, Bisque, and also Toffee. Now guys, let me go ahead and show you these new spoilers that were just revealed. The first one is the Beauty Creations Cali Chic Eyeshadow Palette. Ooh, that is such a nice palette, y'all. I have that one. I absolutely love it, and I think it's perfect for that nice bronzy look. Now the last thing, but certainly not least, is the Violet Voss Essentials Eyeshadow Palette. Well, hey y'all, it's Editing Mandy here. Lucky y'all, before I posted this video, well, BoxyCharm wanted to show all of the variations for the May BoxyCharm base box. So guys, here's the picture right here. Now, you know, there are so many on here, too many to name really. And a lot of these look like repeats. You know, I see the Ace Beauty palettes. We see that Hank and Henry, that liquid eyeliner. I see some ColourPop shadows. There is that watermelon mask thing. Who was that? Glow Recipe, I believe. Those lashes, I can't remember the brand of them. But yeah, I can see a few repeats in here, but these are the variations for the May base box. Now, if anybody has already received any of these items, of course you're not going to be receiving any repeats in your boxes. So don't worry about that. But I did want to just put this in this video so I didn't have to make a whole nother video because y'all know I'm lazy. But yeah, here are all the variations. Now again, I'm going to let them sit up here for a while so y'all can have time to look through them. Again, it looks like a lot of repeats. But just remember guys, you will not get no repeats in your box. So no matter what you see up there, if you've got one of those in your box, you're not going to be getting it again. You'll be getting something different. So I don't want y'all to have to worry about that. Because I know a lot of people are like, you know, I see a bunch of repeats, and yeah, I do too. But it's not like you yourself are going to get the same exact items every time. I mean, they already know what you already got, so they know what not to send you and what to send you. So just get excited, guys, because there's some new stuff I see in here to try also. Now, those of you that have already gotten the Essentials palette or anything else for that matter, I'm pretty sure they won't send you the same thing twice, guys, because I know they had that Essentials and maybe a couple of these other things in past boxes. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think down in the comments. And as always, BoxyCharm's link below. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, you know I'm going to keep you updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. Now, guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Ms. Bling Thang. Miss Bling Thang says, I hope I get the Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer. Well, Miss Bling Thang, honey, I sure hope you get it too. I always love seeing people get exactly what they want and just see how excited they are, and then come to find out that the product is really worthless, so they just end up throwing it away or not never using it again. No, I'm just teasing you, Miss Bling Thang. I hope you get what you want, honey, and I hope you enjoy it. And I really appreciate you stopping by and watching the video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I ain't got none. Just absolutely none. You know how they do that little thing all the time. But anyways, guys, check on that for me. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. And then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.